Hi there, so today we're going to be turning the shoe around. I'm doing a shoe makeover. This is how it was a sandal before. In fact, I had the front part, but that part went off. So now I just have the back part. So the first thing I did was to take my scissors and cut out those flaps that are still there. You can see it's even fading even inside and all that. It looks quite old. Then I cut out the remaining excess that is showing there. I used the razor blade this time around because of course scissors can't get too close like that. It's kind of a thick scissors, so I took my razor and just chopped off that little part close there. Yeah, keep watching and learning. That was done. I searched my collection of trimmings and I saw this pretty gold trimmings that stood out, and I was like, oh, this would surely come out well. So I took my uhu gum and I started gluing it. Now because the trimming is the width is smaller, of course shorter than the width of the shoe, the part I'm covering for the shoe, what I did was to put layers of it. Then the first part, when you're putting the trimming, you should note that when you're putting it at the corner, you ensure you take it very close in, push it in a bit. So I'm just going to be doing all that strip, so just keep watching and learning. So I'm putting all the strips around. I think I had to put like 3 strips, right? I'm sure if you, as you watch it, you will get to know. So you just put the number of strips you want. Okay. Okay, so once I was done with the last part, there was still some little areas that I couldn't cover using the strips like that. So I just did it small, putting the glue first, then putting it on that part. Keep watching, I'm sure you'll get a drift of it. The other side as well. Once you're done with that, what you need to do, you take a toothpick or something that has a pointed mouth and you push in that part that you glued at the corner so it goes underneath the flap. Yeah, just before the sole, between the flap and the sole. Or what's it called? If you know what's called, let me know in the comment section below. I don't make shoes. I refurbish and transform shoes. After then, the part where I put my feet on, you can see that it doesn't. Now if you would like to see some more shoe makeovers, do let me know. I'm looking at some that I need to convert, and I know people have spoken to me for conversion. And if you do also want to convert to your own, you can check for my contact in the description below and alert me. This was the lovely outcome. What do you think? Would you like to wear slippers like this? If you compare this and the way it was before, which do you prefer? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you want to watch more shoe transformation, please check this link above.